one of the key things is that a lot of the Israeli public has gradually switched from a belief in the two-state solution to at least an implicit belief in the three classes solution, that you have just one country between the Jordan River and the Mediterranean with three classes of people living there, Jews who have all the rights, some Arabs who have some rights, and other Arabs who have very little or no rights. And this is increasingly the situation on the ground. And this is increasingly also the aspiration or the mindset of even people in the government. And this is extremely worrying, but this is what is happening.